Welcome everyone. In this video I want to talk briefly about release profiles in Rust. This is something we never did so far in this course, but I think it's time. We used cargo build, we used cargo build -- release, but we never went into the details on how we can customize this. So I think it's time. We can do this in a very easy way, and I'll show just the basics here in this video. In the Cargo.toml file, here below the dependencies, we can customize this. So for example, we can have this profile.dev with this opt level. This is a level of optimization, and we can have a profile for the release. But for example, the optimization is 3. This is just a basic difference. We can add more things. For example, here we want the debug to be true. In this case, we can enable debugging. In this case, probably we want the debug to be false because this is a real release. Something else we can do is we can enable LTO equal to true for the profile release. This is to enable link time optimization. This is just an example. So let me remove the target folder because I want to show you the difference in time of building and also in terms of size. First, let's try cargo build. This is the dev one. We can see it has been done in 0.86 seconds. And now cargo build -- release. This took almost 3 seconds, more than 3 times the time needed for the dev one. We have 2 folders here, one debug and one release. I also want to see in terms of size, so we can open this in the file explorer. Let's check it out. So the debug, which is the dev one, is almost 10 megabytes. The release one, it's smaller, it's way smaller, it's just 2 megabytes. Okay, so this is the difference. Of course, you can customize this in many different ways. I will leave a link to this profiles page when you can read. Of course, when you'll get into releasing an official crate, we'll do this in an upcoming video, you need to know that you can customize this because probably there you don't want the dev build, but you want something which is release level. Okay, so I will leave this link below. In the next video, we will publish a crate on the official crates.io website. We want to show you crates.io. So we will have one of our packages here. We can see that we have 87 billion downloads so far. So this community is growing, and this will be very interesting because we are learning the process of how we can contribute to the whole Rust community. See you in the next video. Bye.